I am Mayor Sul from the RM of St. Andrews. Before I provide an update on the flooding situation, I want to speak directly to all of the residents who have been affected. Over the past several days, many families have experienced flooded homes, damaged property, washed out driveways, flooded fields, and stress and uncertainty that comes with it. For some, this has meant losing cherished possessions and facing difficult cleanup and repair efforts. For our farming community, it has meant watching recently planted fields disappear underwater. On behalf of Council, our hearts are with you. We know this has been an overwhelming and emotional experience for many residents. Please know that your municipality is working hard to support you, and helping residents recover remains our highest priority. I also want to thank the many neighbors, volunteers, emergency responders, municipal staff, and community organizations who have stepped forward to help one another. During difficult times like these, we are reminded of the strength, compassion, and resilience that makes St. Andrews such a special community. This message is being videotaped from Camp Chesley, who suffered damage, and as well as our municipal office has also suffered flooding damage. We are hopeful the office will open by tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Internet access and communications has been a challenge. In the meantime, administration and office staff have been working virtually and from the upstairs of the Clandeboye Fire Hall and the Public Works Building to ensure municipal services continue with as little interruption as possible. On June 10th, Council met twice and declared a state of local emergency in response to unprecedented overland flooding and widespread power outages. Over the course of the evening, the RM received approximately 9 inches of rain, creating conditions that posed a serious threat to property, the environment, and the safety and well-being of our residents. The area most impacted was from Clandeboye Road north on number 9 to Matlock, and from Highway 8 east to the Red River. The majority of roads in this area have been affected by this rare rainfall event, including overland flooding, washed out or blocked culverts, flooded homes, and damaged driveways and properties. The amount of rainfall we had received was extraordinary. Approximately 9 inches of rain fell in a very short period of time. This type of rainfall event would challenge communities and drainage systems right across Manitoba. Water levels are receding in most areas of the RM, however, challenges still remain. In the northwest corner of the municipality, debris continues to block drains and culverts, slowing the movement of water from fields. While water is moving, the drainage system remains at capacity, and it will take some time for water levels to fully subside. Our public works crews continue to work long hours, cleaning blocked culverts, assessing road damage, and responding to priority concerns as quickly as possible. Please understand, all of our resources are stretched to the limits, and staff are working as quickly and safely as they can. We are grateful that Premier Canoe and the provincial government have announced disaster financial assistance. Information and resource links are available on the RM website, top page, and also on the RM Facebook page. We know many residents have already asked how they can help. Our recreation department is coordinating volunteer efforts to assist residents, particularly our seniors and those with mobility issues, with cleanup activities such as yard work, flooded basements, and crawl spaces. Information on how to volunteer or request assistance will be posted on the RM website within the next couple of days. Residents should also be aware both RM landfills will begin accepting water damaged items for those families affected, And please visit the RM website for full details on that and to get that full information. On behalf of Council and myself, I wish to express our sincere gratitude to our administration team, public works crews, fire departments, volunteers, contractors, the Petersfield Hotel, and everyone else who has worked tirelessly throughout this emergency. We would also like to extend our sincere thanks to President David Chartrand and the Manitoba Métis Federation for assisting some of our residents and for their willingness to work alongside our community during this difficult time. Thank you as well to our residents for your patience, your understanding, and resilience. This has been an incredibly challenging time, but it also has shown the very best of our community. Many residents may still have limited internet access, so please share this message with neighbors, family, and friends. Please continue to check the RM website and Facebook page for updates as recovery efforts continue. The worst of the rainfall is behind us. The flooding has occurred, and now our focus is on recovery, rebuilding, and helping residents get back on their feet. Recovery will take time, but we will get through this together. Thank you, stay safe, and take care of one another. Thanks so much.